sit down video, and today's video is an affordable skincare products video. In this video I'm going to be talking about all skincare products which are going to be under 500 rupees and are going to be very affordable and are really nice. I've tried and tested them and they're very nice. And I'm going to be talking about everything skincare because you guys have been asking me to upload like skincare videos, and I'm going to be doing just that. So in this video I'm going to be talking about toners, makeup cleaners, like makeup removers, masks, scrubs, everything skincare, and I hope you guys enjoy the video as much as I enjoy filming. But before we get started with the video, if you happen to like this video or any of my videos, make sure to hit the subscription button, or if you're already subscribed to my channel, please hit the notification button, because with the new YouTube settings you don't really get notified whenever I post. So by hitting the notification button you'll get notified whenever I post, and that's kind of great because you'll get notified whenever I post. So yeah, without any further ado, let's get started. Alright, let's get started with the video. I have tried to include as many products as I could for all types of skin, and you might want to watch it till the end because I have tried to cover up all types of skin types and as many products as I could, so you might want to watch it till the end. So let's get started. I have tried to include at least 3 products for all types of products, and yeah, I have like face washes, makeup removers, toners, everything. So without any further ado, let's get started. So let's start off with makeup removers. So I have 3 types of things. One is like a legit makeup remover and two are oils. The first thing is a Neutrogena foaming, fresh foaming cleanser. This one is a makeup remover and a face wash 2-in-1. So I love this, I swear by it. So every time I don't want to use an oil, I use this. And this is really great. I use it as a face wash as well. It's a really deep cleansing face wash and a makeup remover. It's really great to remove your waterproof mascara and your matte lipsticks. So it's really great as a makeup remover, and it's really affordable. It's for $3.99, so it's under the 500 bar. And the other 2 makeup removers are oils. So I know how baby oil is very famous as makeup remover, and so is the coconut oil. So I have the Johnson's baby oil and the Patanjali coconut oil. Now coconut oil works very well as makeup remover because it breaks down your makeup very well, breaks down your makeup really well. If you have a matte lipstick or waterproof mascara or waterproof eyeliner, this will break down your makeup really well. So if you have oily skin and you want to use a makeup remover, you can use this one, or this works really well as makeup remover. So you can try these 3. All the links to all the products and the prices will be down below, so make sure to check it out. Let's move on to the face washes. Now I have like 4 options, and this one is for all skin types. This one is a Soulflower charcoal soap. It can be used as a bath soap and a face wash. So I have cut it into half, and I use half of it as a face wash and half of it as a bath soap. So this one is my face wash. So this is really deep cleansing and it kind of dries your skin off. So you would want to use a face moisturizer afterwards, but it really cleans your pores and helps you fight blemishes. So I really like it. So this is really great for everyone who wants to, deep clean their face. So it's really nice. The second option for face wash is the Himalaya Oil Clean Lemon Face Foaming Wash. Now this comes with a pump and a foaming thing, so it's basically foam. I love foam, so everyone who loves foam should basically try it out. I have combination skin with an oily T-zone, so every time I really feel that my skin is oily, I go for this face wash. This is my second bottle, and I totally love this because this works really well. And the last 2 face washes that I have for you guys are the Patanjali Neem and Tulsi face wash. Now I got this one for a review, but I actually ended up really liking it. So every time I have like unwanted breakouts or like pimples here or there during my period or something like that, I end up using this one overnight, and this really helps me. So this one is a Patanjali Neem and Tulsi face wash. This is very nice. It's just for like 40 bucks I think. On the same thing for acne and pimples, we have Himalaya Purifying Neem face wash. Now this one retails for 170 bucks, kind of pricier, but works just the same. It's also neem. Both of these are neem face washes. Both of them are amazing, so you should try both of them out. Depends if you like Patanjali more or Himalaya. Those are all the face washes. Now we can move on to the face scrubs. So exfoliating is very important, and I exfoliate at least twice a week. So I have 3 options: dry skin, combination oily for all skin types. The first one I'll tell you for all skin types and dry skin. So this one is the Eviot exfoliating walnut scrub. Now this one works for all skin types because this is just walnut scrub, and it works really well. This one is a huge pack. If you can see, this is as big as my face. This one is just for 195 rupees. It's very affordable. It's a huge pack, and this actually works really well to get rid of your dead skin. So by the times that I have to get rid of my blackheads, this is the to-go face scrub. So for everyone who has a blackhead, whitehead problem, the to-go thing that you would want to use is the Neutrogena Deep Clean Blackhead Eliminating Scrub. Now this one retails for 240 bucks. Neutrogena things are kind of a little pricey. This is amazing for anyone who has a sebum problem, blackhead, whitehead problem. Amazing scrub, totally worth the price, and you should totally get it. The last scrub that I have is for acne prone skin, for people who have oily skin, acne prone skin. This one is the Himalaya Purifying Neem Scrub with antibacterial properties. This is amazing. So whenever I have breakouts and they've kind of subsided, because if you have breakouts, never use a face scrub because they might, you know, end up popping up your pimple if you have like a cystic pimple, and then you will have all the bad stuff all over your face, and that will just increase the breakout. So never do that. But whenever all of them have subsided down and you just want to clean your face, you'll want to use this one scrub. So I've showed you 3 options for all skin types. Next we have toner. So I have 3 toners, again different skin types, and all of them are affordable, under 500, so they're great. The first one is the Fab India Skin Toner. This is for toning and clarifying. This one is great for anyone who has acne and blemishes on their face. So this is great, and I got this recently and I've been loving this. I use this every day, and this is an amazing toner. So this is the first one. The second one is again the thing from the Neutrogena range, the Deep Clean Blackhead Eliminating range. Now this one is for everyone who has the blackhead problem. So if you use this with this scrub, after this scrub, when you use this toner, you'll actually see a difference in your blackhead and your whitehead. This will actually reduce it a lot. So this one is also a very nice toner. The only problem is that it does not come with a pump, like a spray thing, so you'll have to use like a cotton pad. Otherwise it's really nice. This one, the Fab India toner, retails for 240 rupees, and this toner retails for 340 rupees, so just like a 100 rupee difference. But this actually works very well for people who have blackheads. The last toner that I have for you guys is for all skin types. Works for acne prone skin, oily skin, combination dry, all types. This one is by Iraya. It's the Reviving Face Tonic with mint and pomegranate. So this is really nice. Before I got the Fab India toner, I used to use this a lot. This is very fresh, very refreshing. I put this in my handbag whenever I go out. So this is very great for that. Alright, now let's move on to the face masks. I love face masks. I love pampering my skin. So I'm going to be showing you at least like 4 options here. 2 of them are from Himalaya and stuff like that. So the first one is the Himalaya Herbals Purifying Neem Peel Off Face Mask. So I know how people love peel off face masks. I loved it too, so I wanted to try this out and I love it. So this one is just for 130 rupees, and this is great. This has neem and turmeric, and it really helps you fight acne and blemishes, and it kind of really, you know, also gets off the dead skin from your face when you peel it off. So it's very nice. The next one is the Himalaya Clarifying Mud Pack. Now I love Multani Minty, I love the mud pack, so I love this one. This one is again for, this one is for 110 rupees. Again, since I love mud packs, the next one is from Fab India. It's the mud pack, the neem and tulsi variant. I got this recently and I've used it for like 4 times, and I love this. You can actually see the neem bits in this, the neem leaves in this, and it's great. Alright, now let's move on to moisturizer. So moisturizing your skin is very important. Now I use a prescription moisturizer because I have a little blemish thing going on because I use an expired face wash, just Arushi things. But I used to use both of these before I started using the prescription face wash. Prescription moisturizer, I don't really want to tell you which one. The 2 things that I have here is the Patanjali aloe vera gel. I'm totally out of it. I have to buy my 3rd tube now. So it's a great thing. It totally moisturizes your skin. Along with that, it also helps you fight acne, blemishes, anything like that. The second one is the lactocalamine lotion. It's amazing. It has a lot of variants and it's very affordable. Now let's move on to the last thing, but which is very important, which is sunscreen. Now a lot of people talk about it, but not a lot of people use it, but it is very important. So I have two options for you. The first one is the Lotus Herbals Safe Sun Extreme Sunblock Cream. This has an SPF of 60 and this retails for 425 rupees. Again, under 500, so it's affordable and really nice because it has an SPF of 60. And the last one is the Suncross Soft Gel Sunscreen. This has an SPF of 50 plus whatever, and this is again under 500 for sure. And I have been using this a lot and it works really well. Does not tan you, it's not greasy, does not leave that white, weird white impression on your skin. That is the worst. So yeah, those were all the skin products that I had for you guys. I tried to cover all skin types that I could, and I tried to cover as many products that I could. And all of them are actually under 500. So yeah, those were all the products that I had to talk about. I tried to include as many products as I could. I tried to include all skin types and I tried to include at least 3 options. And if you happen to like this video, do not forget to give this video a big thumbs up. It will really help me a lot. And if you guys happen to like this video or any other video on my channel, do not forget to give this video a big thumbs up. And do not forget to subscribe to my channel if you aren't subscribed already. If you are already a subscriber, do not forget to hit the notification button because that will just notify you whenever I post. And yeah, that is all I had to say. I hope to see you in my next video. Bye! Also guys, I plan to have a Q&A video because a lot of you guys have been sending me a lot of questions in Instagram DMs, replying to my stories with a lot of questions. So if you guys want to ask me any questions in my Q&A video, you can leave that down below or send me DMs or send me on Snapchat, whatever you guys want to do. If you guys have any questions related to these products, you can send them down below or on my Instagram DM. All the details will be down. Do not forget to check the description box and I'll see you next time.